Welcome to CakeBot's tutorial on sniping presales. Today, we'll dive deep into sniping presales. When using our presale sniper feature, missed opportunities are a thing of the past. Gain unparalleled access to the hottest presales the moment they open. CakeBot automates the contribution process, securing your spot the second a presale opens. To get started, navigate to the Snipe presale section. From here, you'll have the flexibility to tailor your purchase parameters. Let's first select the wallets for the transaction. For demonstration purposes, I'll opt for wallet 3. Now we need to select the currency the presale is raising funds in. Most presales raise funds in BNB, but we also support stablecoins such as BUSD, USDT, and USDC. Next, select the presale platform that is hosting the presale you are sniping. We support the most popular presale platforms such as PinkSale, Gempad, DXSale, and UNCX. In this demonstration, I will select PinkSale, the most popular presale platform. Next, specify your buy amount. Remember, when using multiple wallets, the designated amount will be debited from each one. If you have a specific value in mind, simply select the custom option. For instance, entering 4 means 4 BNB will be spent from every selected wallet. Please note that many presales have a maximum buy amount per wallet. In this example, the maximum buy amount is 4 BNB. I could purchase 12 BNB by using all 3 wallets, but in this example I will only be purchasing 4 BNB with wallet 3. Next, input the presale address you're sniping. I'm using a random presale called X-Coin for demonstration purposes. Now we need to enter the presale start time. CakeBot will automatically submit your transaction as soon as a presale goes live. Be sure to enter this value in the format shown. Now let's talk about gas. By default, CakeBot will use 3 GUI for your transaction. For highly anticipated launches, it's advisable to allocate a generous amount. To set a custom amount, click the button and then enter your desired GUI. Once your settings are configured, click the Add to Presale Snipe List button and your snipe will be created. You can continue to use the bot as normal after setting up a snipe. Once your snipe is submitted, you'll be promptly notified with all the relevant details. For an overview of your existing snipes, select Manage your presale snipe list. This panel displays all active snipes, and should you wish to cancel one, merely copy its ID and click Remove Presale Snipe. That concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's Snipe presale feature. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments, questions, or feedback below.